Welcome to Drink Eat Light. Today we're doing coconut milk. Coconut. You might need something that you can tap on, so I found this in the yard. This is the jelly that's inside this, right? Which is cut in there, right? What I'm doing now is cutting it up. What you want to do, always remember, you have to go to FATS, whatever solid. So we just added the water. Okay, now we're getting ready to blend. See what it looks like. See what it looks like. So now I have coconut to crack. So this is just blended. I'll just put it in this container for now. coconut, maybe a little more than that. And if you have a wifey, you could use this, right? Your wifey always put these things on. I don't know what they call it. Yeah, stockings. So she always put these stocking things on, right? This is clean. I just bought it. I have to wash it, of course. So now we're gonna strain this. I'm gonna see how good it actually works. I'm expecting it to work pretty well. Good. All right, so everything is strained. This is your pure coconut milk. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it from the bowl into this container and put it in the fridge. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Drink, Eat, Life.